and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie recipe for you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss other of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So today's smoothie is going to be the Morning Magic Smoothie. Now, why are we calling it that? It's because you're going to be having some iced coffee, you're going to be getting some protein in with your protein powder and your yogurt, and then you're going to be getting some fiber in with your flaxseed. It's just great to start off your morning. So, in typical fashion, you're just going to go ahead and add all of your ingredients together. So, as I've mentioned in my other videos with my bananas, I freeze them ahead of time. I don't know if they sell frozen bananas like they do the other fruits, but once they start getting brown, I just slice them up and then I label them like this is one banana. Sometimes they have half, 3, like whatever it is. And I'll just put them in the freezer and let them freeze like that, and then they're good to go for my smoothies. So for this one, we're going to be using 1 banana. And then this is, Trish had gotten this for Sean. This is the Dunkin' iced coffee, no sugar, unsweetened, blah, 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 blah. You're just going to want a cold coffee, whatever it is. You can see how much he's drinking this. Not really much, because the whole cup of it is going in here. So, figured I would put this to good use. And I know he'll drink it if I make it into a smoothie like this, so. Okay, then you're going to add a tablespoon of your flaxseed meal. You're going to add a scoop of your protein powder. This is vanilla. I just feel like a lot of times vanilla is just very versatile. Then you're going to add in a little bit of ice. And then we have our Greek yogurt. Now this isn't flavored. I just have 2% plain Greek yogurt here. Made with milk from non-GMO fed cows. Can you see that? Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put our lid on. And then I'm going to clean the rest of this up and then we're going to get to blending. Alright, now let's get to blending. Check that out, you guys. If this isn't the perfect like iced coffee smoothie with you have your banana in there and your vanilla protein powder, I can't wait. I know Sean's gonna love this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer this to another cup and then we're gonna try some. Okay guys, so don't mind all the coffee beans, just making a thumbnail, but I can't wait to try this. You guys, I love this, and I'm not a coffee person, as you guys all know. I'm a tea girl. You can see various tea videos in my whole tea collection. I can link it up right here if you guys want to check it out. But this is good. This isn't like a normal like, oh, coffee, iced coffee, and it's super, super thick. Look at that. Super thick. I love, love, love this. I know Sean is gonna die. I have to give this to him, but that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos, and share this video with anybody who loves coffee, because boy, this is good. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.